So I found this dog. It looks pretty sad from the title, so we're gonna watch it and see why does it look so bad. It almost made me cry from like how it looks down here, like the little picture. Yeah, it looked pretty sad. So let's watch it. Oh my gosh, the mom. We got a call that a puppy was hurt. Oh my goodness. That puppy looks so bad. His mom was... No. At least the mom tried. Yeah, the mom tried good enough. She seemed to trust us with her baby. Oh my god! Guys, I'll leave the real video in the description down below so you guys can give it a like and rewatch it. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Papa was too worried. The Papa was so worried. Whoops, I didn't mean. Oh my god. Oh my god, he was such a brave little boy. Oh my god. No, in his shoulder bites. Oh my god. That's just so bad. Oh. Oh my goodness. Aww. Aww. He's walking. It doesn't hurt him. Guys, you need to watch the real video and give it a like. No, I'm gonna give that a like. And it has 100 million likes. Oh my god. I feel so bad, guys. It needs a loving. You need to give all pets love. And if they're on the street and they're homeless, you gotta go to the store and get them food. Don't be a mean person who just walks by and stuff. That's not really nice. You need to give them lovins. 'Cause all pets have feelings too. So you have to give them lovins too. You have to give them lovins too, so always give them lovins. And you'll become a hero to the pet. Please donate so they can all stay together. And yes, do that so they don't die and get skinny. Look at that little one. Bye guys.